In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut on your taskbar. So to create a shortcut, there are some easy methods. First one, right click on program. Now here you will find two option pin to taskbar. So click on it. So now we have a shortcut for that program on taskbar. So very simple, just right click on any program and you will find option pin to taskbar. So click on it like this one, pin to taskbar. So click on it. And if you want to remove, so right click on that program and click on unpin from taskbar. Second method to create shortcut on taskbar, click on start. Now you will see a list of programs. Like you want to use video editor shortcut on taskbar, so right click on it and hover cursor to more. Here you will find option pin to taskbar. So click on it. So we have this shortcut for this particular program. So like this, you can create a shortcut on your Windows taskbar. Thanks for watching.